3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vybz kitchen and the place where me speed on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vybz have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
Alright y'all, so listen. We got the boss in town. TNR Reactions, yeah. Rochelle. Watch this one, yeah. How's this? Orange juice for me and him. Yeah. Yes. Alright, so going to breakfast. TJ always up in the camera. Watch out. Him love camera so till. Alright, so let me show y'all the menu. Yeah. This place is highly recommended, so we about to try it out. Let's see. I think I'm gonna try that one right there.
Which one?
The omelet. Probably ham, egg, and cheese or something. I don't know. We'll see. Y'all, this place, they're known for their scones, but check this out. We didn't expect it to be. Watch this big old something. Just so y'all know, both these is for TNR Reaction. Both of them. Listen, so y'all can see the size of this thing. Check this out. Hey, big man. Look at that. Denver omelet. Hash browns. TJ got pancakes.
Huh? Yeah, man. Thanks.
I went me zoom in. Yeah. Alright. Breakfast is over. Now we're about to head to this place called Alright, so yeah. Now we're about to head to Antelope Island. Yeah, so we'll see how this.
Hello. I'm taking over this channel. The person who used to have it is no longer here. This is my channel now. So we are on Antelope Island.
Antelope Island.
Sure. Remember I was a second antelope. I said the big antelope, yeah, so. Sure. Anyways, here's the map.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to be seeing some bisons here soon, hopefully.
We still have 15 minutes, so.
Oh, right. You don't use the GPS?
No, I don't need it. A straight road.
Oh, one straight shot. So we're going to come out and walk too?
I'm not sure about that one there, no. Because if they must say bison, if bison tap and look 40 miles per hour bison run, me?
I can't run, man. Prepare for you,
more than 10 miles per hour.
Listen, if this make it to YouTube and you make it big, you know, you can get pick up for run for thing, you know.
I'm going to run half my backside.
Yeah, man. You can go Olympics, go run for the US, you know. I don't prefer run for Jamaica though. Like they're doing construction on the roads.
Yep.
Where are you going, baby? Yeah. TJ hello, is that TJ pay a mortgage? TJ pay a mortgage?
TJ like Dolphin Beach.
Okay.
Like Dolphin Beach.
You going to the Bison Beach, okay? But all the bison them survive out there, so though. Like, I'm not seeing no grass. What do you eat? Rotted kid, and you say I go too slow. Someone get frustrated.
We are driving and look after them business. They want to go and they go.
Then go on, actually. We are in no rush.
But you like how to look at you see some movie and nothing just not there.
Yeah.
And when you are
The most important thing is that they have gas. You have gas?
full man.
Okay, good. That's it. Yeah, what that thing? Hey, carrot, now you have a push. Yes. It's a beautiful place though, but like, it's pretty, quite pretty.
What is this?
The mountain, them in the background.
Oh,
That's so far away from him. It's just so far away from him.
you know, you should do just cut across some man and head towards
You
the
know what I'm
mountain.
saying? Water over there.
Yeah, sink and swim.
Alright.
Nice.
Hey guys, I like that beach.
You like the beach?
A beach, you say? Make sure a beach, you say. Make sure a beach, you say.
A beach, man.
No.
Look, it's right there, the beach.
Oh, you must see the water.
A sun, me I see.
Me see like little water flare up, man.
Okay.
And water, at least you have water for drink.
Oh.
The bison them.
Oh.
That's dolphin. That's a dolphin.
Yo, it's cold though.
TJ,
It's
I love
cold.
Jamaica, though. Every time on beach.
Yeah, man. But I can't say them level like that. Alright. So, yeah, we'll come back once we get to the action site. We have about 15 minutes
Yeah, man.
until we forward back.
Let's see.
You can imagine.
Can you go?
No, you can imagine.
Can you go?
Listen, I'm talking.
Daddy, can you go?
Yes, okay.
Let me see if we can zoom up and show them the beach.
Well,
Because they don't know what attack like a strike.
you can
right
imagine
now.
I'll go over there so, and then my bike's in the coat and the other.
She's a pretty.
See beach all the way out there, so. Them the back of me head. No, sir. The bison are come. And now when this is sitting near top, you got to minutes on the top.
Oh, the video?
You right here.
You can record here, man.
You want me to pinch your foot?
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh,
No, mommy.
quiet please.
No, mommy.
Stay off fence.
No,
Hey.
mommy. No, mommy.
Okay, alright, I won't.
Okay, mommy, if I behave, come on. Tell her.
Yeah, Pa.
Right, did you hear that?
TJ, back up.
Mama, behave.
Alright, so saying you have some bison on it.
I don't think you can drive no further.
You have arrived.
Alright. Bison corals. The hell's one road up there, so?
So if
Yo!
you go up there.
Yo! It's like, you just have to figure it out.
See what number one right there, so we have to come out. You go
Oh, I'm gonna look on the fence. Up on the fence. No,
Let me go. Let me go.
no, it's alright, I'm gonna go, just in case. Just in case the bison.
Yeah, so you have to let the rest of the family.
Yeah.
What's everybody are going to people there? We are going to run the
Not yet. No, baby, it's dangerous, that's why.
And then TJ. It's enough to park up with something now, pal.
Sure. Just have to be able to fly them to a little bit. Yeah, done. So,
Nobody say no. Don't go this way.
we made it on top of the hill. There was four. I look at bikes in them and I like bull cow. No, sir? For the ground. Yeah, that which person?
I was fresh one. Fresh one say yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're fresh. I got there what to say.
You can't see this in that doctor.
Buy some more commercial, man. See, I'm going to go well there, so.
Inside, oh, they're in there. Outside, you know. Come on, man. Just put up a freaking in that for bison come.
No, anyhow, we can use for feed the bison then.
Right.
Not yet. No, come on, man. Too hot there. Oh, anybody want to take the picture out there, kid?
No, sir. We couldn't take it like them no more, man.
Yeah, them bad. Them terrible out there. But the view is beautiful.
So how are they good at it? They must be asleep to rotted. And then take people money and take people food. My friend with the fuck, what is it? Oh, me I see a dude. I know that me come here to see.
Alright, y'all, we'll be back when we find the bisons. We're in a hut.
Like a baby ring?
Well, we haven't found the bison yet, but we found this. What
Zoom in, look at me. Me no remember when
How are they? You want to call him?
some kind of reindeer though.
See if he can come.
Come, puppy.
We might have scratching neck.
You know, can you see it?
Me catch it a bit more later. Wait, one must there, man. Oi! I was never seen the looks like that. How was that?
Look on their hand.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he found
That thing.
He Francie.
I'm not to pure no mind. Let's do more thing. Yeah, no style.
Yeah. I want to know this is going with stuff.
Guys,
Most of the people.
okay. Any Francie? Okay.
Right.
Go down here, yeah.
I don't know.
I continue go down.
I don't know. Yeah, I can't. Yeah. Go down the road. Make us walk.
Now pause, no.
Mama.
Dry in it.
Oh my
Finally.
Francie.
Yeah, this over there.
Look.
I went there on
You
the
look at
camera.
you. Move to the left.
To the left?
Man, he's
Right,
Francie.
no.
Yeah, he's really Francie.
No, sir. Hold on there. I'm going to go back around there, so.
I'm supposed to
Oh
say
my
that you have to
god.
Oh, you see, man? Wow. Finally, we found a bison. There he is. Let's go again. Yeah, see there.
He's Francie, he's not
Listen.
Hey, look.
All you hear smelling from yourself. You see him, Kevin? Yeah, man.
It's like a statue. At first, but none of them starting to move. Yeah.
He's eating.
Yes, eating grass.
Whoa.
Look so long. We're coming in the right direction. And searching.
Wow. Searching for him for so long. Wow.
Until he said,
If only we can see him closer, eh?
right?
You want
I'm
it?
going to keep going. You know, I thought me turn back to them there.
No, man, I say. No, man, I say.
The road not that close to him, so I know you're talking about.
No, man, I say, you can cut grass.
Your No.
Ah! Sure.
No, he is. We driving, Papa. No, till he have to sit. Can me never expect to stop me look a while.
Yeah.
Rushes, tap. I'm so excited today. Say, but I feel like the block sitting out there, so I don't know why I feel like I want
Go on next one, eh?
Yeah.
I want to see one across the road, man.
You want to see
Mhm.
up close and personal. Yeah. Come, I have to hold you then. I
Bison.
want yes. Yeah,
Yeah. In there.
Another one.
yeah.
We all the way out there.
He's really Francie. He's really not moving.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's really not moving.
Wow.
He's really not moving.
Yes, TJs.
Come on. Oh, come on, not black. Come on,
This is where all the talk. He's hiding.
You see how close up to
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Close. We're close, but we're far away from it.
Oh my gosh, what?
So what's it two? What?
Francie 2. And, oh my gosh, there's another one again.
Oh.
Guys, look. They're so Francie.
Yo, the view best are nice.
Well, if you stand up as up and then get a view back.
No.
Yeah.
Can make leaves back.
Yeah. Oh, perfect time for you to go walk on the trail.
They're not moving.
Oh.
Yo.
You can see it for yourself.
Yeah, man.
Far, but
Wow. Look at that.
Lene, you need to use the body?
Oh.
Watch out. Look out, sir.
Where? Oh,
See one
bison.
of them up the other, sir?
Yeah.
When they pass this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so till you know one you don't understand. Which part of them did when they enjoy parts?
Hold on, man. Let me take a picture of that.
Oh my gosh, he's Francie again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's Francie.
Be careful.
Go take some nice picture, man. Can you have box this up too?
Alright, y'all, look at that. The bisons we've been waiting for. Antelope Island. Yeah. I mean, we caught 2. Yeah, we caught 2 back there, but now we got 4 of them. But listen, they said if the bison stop what they're doing and look in your direction, run, because they can run up to 40 miles per hour. I can't do all that, so yeah. But check that out. Yeah. Y'all, look, I left the door open just in case we gotta run. Yeah. Wow. My first time seeing a bison. Look at that. Check that out. Let me see. No, I don't think I can zoom. Yeah. I don't like it. Look at that, y'all. Up close view.
I think if he does leave up his head.
I want to take me run your frigate.
Even when they fly, they
Wow.
fly.
Right.
Hi, Mrs. Cow.
Hear them 2 picnic here, man. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, he looks like Mrs. Cow.
It's a bison.
Shh.
Hi, Bison. Say hi, Bison. Say hi,
Right.
Bison.
If me see start charge sitting around me, I hear more run. Gone me gone.
My heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever want to be alone. I don't really ever feel at home on my own in this.
Vybz kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.